Kinetic Chemistry Quiz. If you can get 7 out of 10 questions correct, you're totally a genius. Question 1. Which factor does not affect the rate of a chemical reaction? Is it A, temperature, B, color of the reactants, or C, concentration? The answer is B, color of the reactants. Question 2. Increasing the temperature generally, A, decreases the collision frequency, B, increases the activation energy, or C, increases the reaction rate. The answer is C, increases the reaction rate. Question 4. What is the activation energy of a reaction? Is it A, energy released when products form, B, minimum energy needed for a reaction to occur, or C, total energy change during a reaction? The answer is B, minimum energy needed for a reaction to occur. Question 4. How does a catalyst affect a reaction? Is it A, increases activation energy, B, lowers activation energy, or C, changes the equilibrium position? The answer is B, lowers activation energy. Question 5. If the concentration of reactants doubles, the reaction rate, A, always doubles, B, may increase depending on the reaction order, or C, does not change. The answer is B, may increase depending on the reaction order. Question 6. Which of the following best describes the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution curve when temperature increases? Is it A, the curve shifts right and the peak lowers, B, the curve shifts left and becomes taller, or C, the curve shifts right and becomes flatter? The answer is A, the curve shifts right and the peak lowers. Question 7. In a rate equation, rate equals Ka squared times B, what happens to the rate if A is halved and B is doubled? Is it A, rate halves, B, rate doubles, or C, rate remains the same? The answer is A, rate halves. Question 8. The units of the rate constant K in a second-order reaction are A, moles per cubic decimeter per second, B, per second, or C, cubic decimeter per mole per second? The answer is C, cubic decimeter per mole per second. Question 9. Which experimental method is commonly used to measure reaction rates? Is it A, measuring pH only, B, measuring change in concentration over time, or C, measuring color of products only? The answer is B, measuring change in concentration over time. Get ready for your last question. Comment your score and share with your friends. Question 10. A zero-order reaction rate is A, independent of concentration, B, proportional to concentration, or C, dependent on temperature only? The answer is C, dependent on temperature only. So, how did you do? Comment your final score and comment suggestions for future videos. Follow for more A-level chemistry quizzes.